need a yellow piece of paper. Second, we're gonna need a pencil to draw it. And third, we're gonna need glue so we can glue it together. Fourth, we're gonna need scissors to cut. And then fifth, final one, is decorate. First, we're gonna draw it. Okay. And we're gonna need to draw triangles. We need to cut this one out. And then after you cut this one out, this is gonna be the back. So what we're gonna do with the rest of this, we're gonna make the big part and then the rest small. And then you cut it out again. And this is what it should look like, and then we're gonna decorate it. So. And then now, we glue it together. You have your tiara. I do pageants, which you can see right here. These are my pageant shirts and a little quilt. I like to make them because I get crowns from pageants. And I make them at school all the time, trips, and home. I even make them for my dog, and her name is Snowflake. And my favorite crown that I make is this one. Thank you for joining me on Kristin's Craft Time.